Hello and welcome to UnlockLife, a world where every senior feels independent and confident. You are listening to our Take It Easy series. Our seniors ask us many technology related questions and we love answering them. When they feel confident about using technology, we feel the happiest. That's why we thought of sharing it with all the seniors who wish to be independent and confident. We hope you like it. In this episode, let's see how to use voice search to easily find music, movies, and information. Let's try voice search on YouTube. Open the YouTube app and find the search icon on the top right corner. Tap on it. You will see two options. One is for regular text search, and next to it, you will find a mic icon for voice search. Tap on it. You may be asked to allow permission for recording audio. Please allow it if you would like to continue. Remember, you can always turn the permission off again by searching for app permissions in setting and turning it off. Now, you can either choose the voice search or the song search option. If you want to just say the name of the song, choose the voice search option. Let's search for आज जाने की जिद ना करो and see you get the results. You can also hum the song. Let's try that by choosing the song option. As you can see, it's a great way to find songs. Next time you remember the tune of a song but not the lyrics, do try this out. The interesting thing about voice search is that you can find it not just on YouTube but also on Google and Zomato. In fact, anywhere you see a mic icon, it is most likely for either voice search or for recording your voice. Do try it out and tell us what you think. And that's all for today. We hope this was helpful. If you have more questions, please tell us in the comments and we will answer it. We are eagerly waiting to get your blessings and feedback. You can call us on 98989 58411 or WhatsApp us on the same number. Thank you and see you again soon.